Welcome back everybody, welcome back to the Doc Squiffy channel. So today we have something slightly different for you. We've been offered the opportunity to get you an exclusive link, so I'm going to show you that in a second. Before we do that, do remember to hit subscribe to the channel. We bring you all the streaming news here, or tech news. So we've got streaming, tech, devices, updates, offers, all on one page. So hit that subscribe button if you're new. We're closing in on 350,000 subscribers, and if you're a regular watcher, a share would really help us out. So, today we're talking Samsung. Yes, Samsung. Samsung are on their way with the brand new Galaxy product. We are here to let you know about it. Okay, so the new Samsung Galaxy product is coming. So there's going to be a new Galaxy smartphone and a new Galaxy tablet. And you can reserve it. Or just take a look at the website. I will link it directly underneath for you. This new Samsung product, they're not telling us what it is yet. We can guess. We can guess what it is. But in 12 days, 2 hours, 11 minutes, 4 seconds, you can reserve to watch, break the rules, reserve the next Galaxy. So you'll be able to watch it, exclusive offers and everything like that. So if you do decide to reserve the new phone, you get an extra $50 in Samsung credit, or you look forward to more exclusive offers when the time's to pre-order. So the current one they are offering, if you fill in your name, zip code and phone number, reserve now. This is, as you see at the top there, Samsung.com, official website. Reserve their product and you get $50 off. Or just take a look and see if you like it. So the page is all about the Samsung phone. Break the rules, reserve the next. It's annoying. I think we all know what the new Samsung phone is going to be called. And we know what the new Galaxy tablet is going to be called. But, you know, part of the offer of this link for the $50 off is we do not name the product. They're trying to get their new product out there. So come on, check out the website. It's linked directly underneath for you. Go and have a look. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if you are a Samsung person. I love my Samsung, but I use the Fold. Love it. The wife's got the S21. Loves it. So, if you guys want it and you want to get a $50 back, it's up to you. It was just a quick video from me today, guys, to let you know about this. I know some of you will be looking for that phone when it comes out, so $50 is useful. I know some of you won't care, and we will be back tomorrow with a normal Fire Stick or streaming video, everything like that for you. Brilliant. So the link for this is underneath. We've also shared it out on our Twitter earlier on today, so if you wanted to see it quicker, you can. And as always, put it out on our Facebook as well. All this stuff is linked directly underneath for you. Hope you all have a great weekend. Remember, there's 12 days left on this, depending when you're watching this. The live stream is on February the 9th. So check it out, and I'll see you soon.